MS Excel shortcut keys. 1. F2. Edit the selected cell. 2. F5. Go to a specific cell. 3. F7. Spell check selected text and/or document. 4. F11. Create chart. 5. Shift plus F3. Open the Excel formula window. 6. Shift plus F5. Bring up search box. 7. Ctrl plus 5. Strike through highlighted selection. 8. Ctrl plus F6. Switch between open workbooks or windows. 9. Ctrl plus F9. Minimize current window. 10. Ctrl plus F10. Maximize currently selected window. 11. Ctrl plus space. Select entire column. 12. Shift plus space. Select entire row. 13. Ctrl plus tab. Move between two or more open Excel files. 14. Ctrl plus page up and page down. Move between Excel worksheets in the same document. 15. Alt plus equals. Create formula to sum all of above cells. 16. Ctrl plus. Insert value of above cell into current cell. 17. Ctrl plus Shift plus. Format number in comma format. 18. Ctrl plus Shift plus. Format number in currency format. 19. Ctrl plus Shift plus. Format number in date format. 20. Ctrl plus Shift plus. Format number in percentage format. 21. Ctrl plus Shift plus. Format number in scientific format. 22. Ctrl plus Shift plus @ format number in time format. 23. Ctrl plus Shift plus semicolon. Enter the current time. 24. Ctrl plus semicolon. Enter the current date. 25. Alt plus Shift plus F1. Insert new worksheet.